After breakfast, may aviso ulit, 2:30 na.
Baka naghahanap pa ng pilot na maglilipad.
Hindi, naghahanap sila ng cleaners ng plane because since baka nga kasi strike, I don't know who is going to clean it.
They should ask the passengers if it's okay for them to have uncapped, not so clean airplane, but would be flying on time. Because if they were going to make a poll, I would choose, okay, let's fly. I don't mind if it's a little bit messy.
It's a filthy plane.
Yeah, because
So
how filthy could a plane be unless it was the same plane that we rode that's reeking of that smell that
pupo smell. Ay,
yes.
no. So, ang ending, mauuna pa ako kasi 1:10 ng train ko. Kaya naging 2:30 na yung flight niya. So, mauuna pa ako umalis ng Milan.
Maybe Nonoiki needs to inquire if the room is available for tonight.
May airport hotel naman. And I'm sure kung ika-cancel ng United,
Ah,
sila na
yeah,
ang
because
magiging.
there are a number of hours, diba? Yeah, pero talamak dyan, diba? When they do the strikes, they're very serious. It's not really just for show.
Yes, strike to strike. Ako nga, medyo kinakabahan din ako ng konti kasi yung two trains that we have ridden, yung from Roma to Firenze and from Firenze to Milano, both of those train rides, a day before, I get an email, a reminder email. The train schedule tomorrow, ganito, tapos i-repeat nila yung schedule mo,
They're
yung
making sure
train
you won't
number
miss
mo.
the train.
Oo, may ganun both times. A day before, I get an email na. Pero kahapon, ngayon ko na-realize this morning na parang wala akong email na natanggap kahapon. I will check my email again. Pero there was none in my memory na nakatanggap ako ng reminder. So parang sabi ko, ha, bakit kaya?
Oh, you check now because it might be we can pause the chat.
Yeah, it will. Wala nga. Kasi meron, train line. You've got your ticket. Here's how to breeze over to Firenze, Santa Maria Novella.
Oh,
Tapos,
what's your train? Ilo trend? Ilo what?
my train now is Tren Italia,
Hindi ba yan yung Froscia, Freccia
Frecciarossa.
Rosa, yung
Hindi ko
Tren
alam kung
Italia ba?
Frecciarossa itong going to Genève. Ngayon, may email ako dun sa dalawa. Ngayon, wala.
So, Italia Tren ka,
Tren Italia.
Tren Italia. Baka merong updates dyan sa website nila. Wala.
I will check.
Ano ba yung Geneva? Geneva. Saan ka bababa? Sa airport? Sa UVives? UViv ba to? Main station? Geneve, UViv? How do you say this? French.
Actually, hindi ko sure. Kasi hindi rin siya naka-indicate sa ticket. Nakalagay lang, Stazione di Arrivo, Geneve.
Geneve.
So, ang train number ko is Eurocity 42.
What?
Eurocity 42.
Yan ang
Train number.
Genevieve. I think sa Genevieve ka bababa. Genevieve. So, anong sabi?
Hindi eh. Hindi ako pag ina-enter ko yung train number, wala namang lumalabas na information. Parang bumabalik siya sa main.
Alam mo, they have office in the Philippines. Trenitalia.
Ano talaga?
Na, nasa, Bel Air, Makati. So, wala.
Hindi ko every time na mag-enter ako ng train number, wala naman nangyayari. It just goes back to
Anong train number mo?
Euro City 40.
What?
Euro City 42.
May app eh. Did you download the app?
No.
You download the app kasi sabi ko, EC42 still on sched. Sabi niya, thanks. Please check the information with our app. Eh, nasa website nila ako. Gusto nila akong
Talagang ganyan sila ngayon. Pa-up ng pa-up.
yeah. European Intercity Express, EC, Eurocity, i-download na yung app. Baka nagbenta sa'yo Trend Italia kasi sa Italy ka. Pero I think since this is inter-European, I think Eurocity talaga. Baka Trend Italia acted like a
Ano
broker.
tayo? Dalawa. Trenitalia, SBB. Yung Trenitalia is the Italy side. SBB is the Swiss side. Pero yung company mismo is Trend. Parang siguro to, collab nila or something.
Oh, kasi you cross borders.
So, pero Trenitalia siya talaga.
Naku, ang dami siguro tao sa airport kung delayed ang mga flight.
Correct. Dito sa Trenit, sinerch ko, pero I think for purchase kasi to eh. Pero sinerch ko yung today going to Geneva. Ayan, nakalagay 110, Milano Centrale, Eurocity 42. Ito mismo ang aking. This is my, marami siyang stop. So, from Milano Centrale, magsa-stop siya sa Stresa 1, number 2, Domo do Sola, 3, Brig, 4, Sion, 5, Montreux, 6, Luzon, pang 7th ang Geneva.
Ang daming stop. Pero sandali lang yung stops na yan, diba?
Oo, ano naman yan, on-off.
Ano nang ganap?
Yun, so siguro naman okay siya. Kasi nakalagay pa siya
Nakalagay
yung
pa siya. Nagbebenta pa sila ng ticket.
nagbebenta sila ng ticket. Grabe. So yun, tapos ah, yung Pinay doon sa Zumba sesh kahapon, imi-met pa niya ako sa train station. Magbibigay daw siya ng tsokolate.
Si Lily Macaraeg.
Lila Macaraeg. Imi-met niya ako ng 12.
Dun sa second picture, si Lucia parang si girly. A stronger girly look.
Oh, she looks like Alanis Morissette. I wanted to tell her, kaya lang inisip ko baka hindi naman niya kilala si Alanis Morissette.
Oo, at saka baka ma-offend siya. We do not know the concept of what is beautiful for them or not.
Yes, exactly. So, hindi ko alam kung mapa-flatter ba siya, nakamukha niya si Alanis o hindi. So, hindi ko na lang sinabi. Tapos, hindi ko rin alam kung kilala niya in the first place.
Oo.
Ayun, oh my God. So, first leg down, kasi naka two countries na pala ako, Italia and Vaticano. So, I'm going to my third country, Suiza, two countries in 1 week. Alam mo, kami ni Nonoy, pagod na kami. Sabi ko kay Nonoy, buti pa siya, uwi na siya kasi talagang ang limit talaga 2 weeks lang. Dapat talaga 2 weeks lang mga trip. Kasi at this point, yung stamina ko parang ito na yung limit, na ito na yung oras na dapat umuwi na ako. Yung body mo can only take so much eh. Yung so much stimulation, so much novelty and, discovery, pagod and everything. Talaga hanggang 2 weeks, 10 to 14 days. Anything more than that is pushing it. So, yan ang nafe-feel ko ngayon na yung body ko ready na siya para umuwi na. Magpahinga na. Kaso meron pa akong 1 week. Oh my God.
1 week, hindi ba 10 more days?
No. Well, day 11, 9 more days.
Okay, 9 more.
Hindi. Day 12 na. 8 more days. Ano yung background mo?
The echo bag of Robinsons.
Yes, I remember. Ganda.
Diba?
Ganda ng naka-strike gold ang Robinsons dyan sa design na yan.
Oo, pero hindi na nila inulit.
Special offer pala yan.
Matagal na to eh. I bought it when I was supposed to buy some grocery supplies sa Padre Faura, sa Robinsons. Pero paglabas ko sa MRT, baha, sabi ko, oh gosh, sabi ko, diretso na lang ako sa Cloverleaf. So Robinson Supermarket, Cloverleaf, Balintawak pa yan. Anong gagawin mo?
Magpapack. I will continue packing.
Hindi ka pa
Nag-pack na
tapos
ako
mag hindi ka pa tapos mag-pack?
well, nag-pack na ako kagabi, pero like yung mga ginamit kong tagtulog, syempre nag-toothbrush pa ako. Ngayon ko pa lang siya liligpitin. Sino na pagod na. So, but good for him. He's going home.
If my flight.
If my flight. Siguro naman, they're not canceling it.
It's a bad sign.
It's a bad sign pag yung delay.
Cancel.
Oh,
It happened to me.
ganun daw ang sister. Sabi niya, it happened to him before na yung delay will end up canceled in the end.
So I already talked to Lucy to pick me up.
If in the event,
Europe-wide ba yan? Or Italy lang?
Italy lang.
Sa Geneva na siya fly back to the States.
Oo nga, dapat sumama na lang siya.
Ay, ayoko na. Pagod na.
Ilang hours ka pa saan ba tong ticket na to? Makikita ko ba dito? Mga 2 hours lang din, no? 4, ano ba? 1 o'clock, 2, 3, 4, 5.5 hours din.
No, 4 hours. Kasi 1:10 ang alis ko, 5:31 ang dating. 4 hours.
4 hours. Nabigay mo yung piyaya o nahiya ka nang ibigay yung piyaya?
Yeah, nabigay ko. Kasi 3 yung dinala ko, yung isa malaki, binigay ko kay Lucia, yung 2 maliit, yung isa binigay ko kay Gigi Ramos. So, tig-isa na lang sila ni Saz. Total mga Pilipino naman talaga sila. So, alam naman nila yung piyaya.
Walang comment na, we have this also in Italy. Walang ganon. O did you
Wala.
even bother to ask, is this something you've seen before? After
She
all, it
has-
looks like a pita, diba?
Pero kasi in-explain din ni Nonoy na yun, molasses, yung loob, ganyan. Kasi nga, our island is known for sugarcane. Sabi niya, okay, ganyan. Tapos sabi niya, I just bought molasses parang a week ago or something kasi parang ginamit niya sa isang dish na niluto. So yun lang naman ang conversation. That's how it went down.
Parang hindi naman nawala yung sniffles mo dyan.
Hindi nga. Kasi siguro, syempre, this is not Hokkaido. And also because